This short video will demonstrate how to join a Microsoft Teams meeting as a guest without having to install any kind of software, just straight from the browser. So I'll start in the browser and paste in the URL that was provided, or click it in the invitation if I was sent an email with an invitation. As you'll see, I get a prompt here. This is because I have the Teams app installed. If you have it installed and you want to connect using that app, that's fine. You can just say open. But to use it in a browser, I'm just going to hit this continue in this browser button here. I'm using the Chrome-based Edge, the new Edge as they call it, and that works great. Google Chrome works as well, and I haven't tested it with Firefox or other browsers, but I'm assuming whatever hardware level is supported will also work within reason. So I'm going to say continue in this browser, and it's going to launch the meeting window. You can see I've already given myself a name earlier, but let's say I'm someone else here. I'm going to say John. I want to be kind of generic. By default, it's going to allow you to turn on or off your camera or microphone. You can also go into a custom setup to pick specific cameras or microphones that you want to use for the call. And then I'm just going to hit join now. And that should connect you right into the meeting if the meeting is active and live. And that's it. That's all you have to do. There's call controls during the call. You can turn your camera on or off. You can turn your mic on or off, or mute your mic. You can also share if you've been allowed that by the meeting host. Raise your hand, pull up the chat, see who all is in the meeting. There's also some more options that you can do right there in the browser, as you see, with no installations of software. So that's how you do that, and I hope this has been helpful, and have a fantastic day.